Imagine this. You're a detective in a sleepy town and the local baker comes to you with a puzzle. He's been baking bread all morning, but he's lost count. All he remembers is that he started baking at 7 in the morning and it's now 10. He also tells you that he bakes a new batch every 25 minutes. So how many batches has he baked? Now don't rush. Think it through. 75 minutes pass every 3 hours, so you divide 3 hours by 25 minutes. The answer is not as complicated as it might seem at first. Our baker has baked 7 batches of bread. Impressive, isn't it? How a simple division can help solve a real-life problem. Now let's move on to a slightly more complex puzzle. This one involves a snail climbing up a well. This snail is a determined little creature. Every day it climbs up 3 feet, but slides back down 2 feet. The well is 30 feet deep. Your challenge is to figure out how many days it will take for the snail to climb out of the well. Again, don't rush. Take your time to think it through. The snail is effectively climbing 1 foot a day. Remember, it climbs 3 feet, but slides back 2 feet. So simply divide the depth of the well by the distance the snail effectively climbs each day. It's a bit of a trick question though, because on the last day, the snail will climb up 3 feet and won't slide back down. So, the snail will take 28 days to climb out of the well. Isn't it fascinating how these puzzles can sharpen our minds and make us see everyday scenarios in a different light? To wrap up, we've solved 2 puzzles today. The first one involved a baker who forgot how many batches of bread he'd baked. By understanding the concept of division, we found out that he had baked 7 batches. In the second puzzle, we helped a snail escape from a well. We applied the concept of effective distance to find that it would take the snail 28 days to climb out of the well. These puzzles not only test our mathematical skills, but also our logical reasoning and problem-solving abilities. Each puzzle is like a mini-adventure, taking us on a journey where we use math to navigate and find solutions. So, the next time you encounter a math puzzle, remember, it's not just about finding the answer, it's also about enjoying the journey and learning along the way. Stay curious, keep exploring, and above all, have fun with math.